Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a butterfly. That's right, we're going to draw a cute butterfly. This butterfly will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the butterfly's head. Let's also draw a circle for the butterfly's head. Next, we will draw in the butterfly's body and antennae. After the body, we will try drawing in the butterfly's wings. Feel free to make the butterfly's wings even bigger or smaller. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. After the outline for the butterfly's wings, I will draw in some black outlines for the wings. Let's draw the face for the butterfly next. Start with 2 small dots for the butterfly's eyes. You can also change the facial expressions for the butterfly too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. Isn't it so cute already? Let's wrap up our drawing by adding sections to the butterfly's wings. This will make it so much more fun to color afterwards. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by using the yellow color for the butterfly's main body. change to color in the butterfly's wings. Feel free to change up the color for the butterfly's wings. Try challenging yourself by using other colors for the butterfly's wings. There are so many color combinations possible for this cute butterfly. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome! Wow! Look at our amazing little butterfly friend. You all did a fantastic job. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a sun or a garden. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of little butterflies in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the butterfly. It is so adorable. Here I have 2 butterflies that I just finished. They look so cute. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.